This is why I'm going to be making more of the main dishes. Chicken Alfredo. Remember what I just made up for both videos that I recorded for the Alfredo sauce, followed by for the fettuccine Alfredo. So right now I'm going to do one for the chicken. First thing, I already cut up and I just cube it with boneless skinless chicken breasts. I have only about 3 or 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts. Depends how much chicken you want to put it for. If you never have chicken, you can put less of those. I coat it with some kosher salt and ground black pepper that I tossed the real coated. I have a non-stick skillet over about medium-high heat. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You want to get that nice and slightly hot. You can swirl out the pan if you can. So let's plop this chicken right in. You want to cook this chicken until no longer pink. Okay, make sure the chicken needs to tenderize. You want to keep moving all the way around with those chicken. So this chicken has cooked tenderly. I just turned it on high heat. Did that for only medium-high to high heat. We're going to put this onto the first platter after the chicken nice cooked tenderly. Now we're going to make one for the Alfredo sauce. So let's turn these back for the medium-high heat. So let's put 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to melt that into the skillet. When the butter just melted, we're going to plop here peeled and minced 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to lightly brown the garlic after the butter just melted. The garlic almost lightly brown. We're going to pour this pint, 2 cups of heavy cream. I have only a heavy whipping cream. I'm going to try this to pour it after the garlic just lightly brown. And we're going to bring it to the boil. Making sure to stir it constantly. Now once the cream just boils out while stirring occasionally, can you see the cream just boils up? When I keep stirring all the way around, you guys see the cream just boils up. Here's the cream just almost boils up after I keep stirring around. You could go ahead, lower the heat down. I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And don't forget to add 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Want to keep stirring until the cheese is just melted after the cream are boiled up, just we made up for the Alfredo sauce. So once the sauce just thickened up, while you're done making for the Alfredo sauce, you can go ahead and add the chicken, has been already cooked earlier. Don't forget to turn down the heat when the sauce is already done. I like to cook any of the pasta of your choice, which is rotini, penne, rigatoni, linguine. I'm going to use the one with spaghetti. And that's how you make for these chicken Alfredo. Here's the pasta that I've been choosing the spaghetti. So let's pour these that you finished with the chicken Alfredo. That goes right on top of your favorite cooked pasta. I like to give this for the garnish to sprinkle in some fresh parsley. And this is completely optional. You can sprinkle some more of the Parmesan cheese right on top. This might be for the presentations. And here's the finished chicken Alfredo. Serve with some of your favorite pasta of your choice. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view always watch before sharing. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember, don't forget to smash like button. As always, bon appetit.